Alright, so this is the Good Time Hotel in Miami Beach, or on Miami Beach, I should say. This is a deluxe queen room with a ocean view. Ta-da, you can see the ocean over there. There's a rather large cruise ship. That's not an ocean view down there, but I guess it's the view of the room. Okay, so it's a compact room, but it is a kind of trendy hotel. So let's take a look. Got a little mini fridge here. Sorry, I chuckled because I thought it was just an accessory, but it actually does have things in it. Bit of storage. Some hanging space. You can buy this for $75 plus tax, no doubt. It's a very pink room, isn't it? I guess it's the style of Miami Beach. Storage. Phone. Bunch of QR codes there. Also purchase that. So this is 548 here. Yeah, I mean, it's a small room. A little shower. And sink. Towels. Toilet. Mirror. And that's it. Yeah. This was a $25 Uber ride from Miami International Airport. Super easy to get. And I'm going to go out and enjoy some sun whilst it lasts. Alright, so I've got a pastry, which is an apple and cinnamon, and a black filter coffee. And it was $15, and you need to leave a tip. So, yeah. It's nice coffee.
Gucci, yeah, you worth it, yeah, you worth it. Do it for purpose, do it for purpose. And if you're certain, baby, I'm certain that we can work it, yeah, we got some things we keep it on the low down. And she really likes secrets and love songs. Got some plans with a nigga, she gon' lose out. I can hit it